In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the Xero dashboard and main menu. By the end, you'll feel confident finding your way around and knowing exactly where to go to manage your day-to-day accounting. First, log into your Xero account. After signing in, give the homepage a moment to load. This is your dashboard, the hub where you can quickly gauge what needs attention. Start by looking at the top navigation menu. This is your main roadmap. Whenever you need to get back to the starting point, click Home to return to the main dashboard instantly. Next, open Sales to manage invoices and customers. Here, you can draft and send invoices, follow up on overdue amounts, and review customer activity. Move on to Purchases to handle bills and expenses. This is where you record bills, track what's due, and keep an eye on cash going out. Head into Reporting when you need financial insights. You'll find profit and loss, balance sheet and aging reports, plus filters and date ranges to answer common questions. In Accounting, you can manage your chart of accounts, bank accounts, and reconciliations. This is the place to match transactions and keep your books accurate. The Tax area helps you manage tax settings and returns. You can review rates and prepare filings so you stay compliant. In Contacts, you'll see your customers and suppliers together, with balances and recent activity to help with relationship management. And Projects is where you track jobs and project costs, including time and expenses, to understand profitability on specific work. Back on the homepage, look for the Setup Guide section. It highlights key tasks that help you get up and running smoothly, and it's a handy checklist if you're just starting. Also, check the Business Overview widgets. These tiles summarize your financial position at a glance, making it easy to spot trends and issues. Pay special attention to invoices owed to you and bills waiting for payment. These two areas show what's coming in and what's going out, and each links to detailed lists so you can follow up or schedule payments without hunting around. In the top right, click the plus button to quickly create common transactions, like a new invoice, bill, contact, or spend and receive money. Next to it, the notification bell shows alerts, such as bank feed updates and reminders, so you don't miss important activity. Finally, click your profile icon to access account settings, adjust preferences, manage your organization details, and log out securely. That's the tour. Use these areas regularly, and you'll move through Xero faster and with more confidence.